In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Binance demo trading account using the mobile app. If you're eager to practice your trading skills without the risk of using real money, then you're in the right place. The Binance demo account, also known as mock trading, is a fantastic feature for beginners and seasoned traders who want to experiment with strategies in a risk-free environment. So let's get started. First things first, pick up your mobile device and locate the Binance app. If you haven't already downloaded it, you'll want to head over to your app store and do that first. Once you're in, open the app. You should be greeted by Binance's sleek interface, and from here you'll navigate your way into the world of demo trading. Now, to locate the futures section, have a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several options like Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallet. For this process, you'll want to tap on the Futures option. Futures trading involves speculating on the future price of an asset, and it's an exciting area for demo trading because it allows you to test out your predictions without any real financial exposure. Next, direct your eyes to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find three little dots, a common icon across many apps that usually leads to more settings and options. Tap on those dots to reveal the next set of instructions. Among the options presented, you'll see one labelled Mock Trading. This is essentially Binance's demo account feature where all the magic happens. By selecting mock trading, you're taking a step into a simulated trading environment that mirrors the real market conditions. It's a brilliant way to get comfortable with the interface and test potential strategies without the fear of losing money. Finally, you may be prompted to log in or activate your demo account. If you have an existing Binance account, you'll just need to log in using your usual credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up, which involves a straightforward process of using your email and creating a password. Sometimes navigating to the demo trading for the first time may prompt an activation of sorts. It typically just requires a tap to confirm that you're set up and ready to start. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Binance demo trading account on your mobile app. Remember, practice makes perfect, and utilizing this demo account is a great way to practice risk-free. You can explore different trading strategies, familiarize yourself with market conditions, and build confidence in your trading abilities. I hope you found this guide helpful. Begin your trading journey today by diving into the world of demo trading on Binance. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful trading tips and tutorials.